Do you think this picture is real? No, this is actually not a real picture. With the help of AI, you can create background environments like this in just a few clicks. Let me show you how.
The life force behind that body.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to make your background image look amazing. And the best part, it is really simple to do, so let's get started. So let's open IMG Creator by ZMO.AI, or you can check the link description below. The first thing, I'm going to turn this product image into somewhere epic. Using this AI tool, putting products into very kind of unique, realistic situation, using very high quality lighting and location. Let's go into background changer and upload your image. We have background theme that you can choose. I think I'm going to select Yellow Studio, which I think this is matched with the product. Then you can choose which one the best. Click generate to get more for background. I really like this one. Now you can save this image. And I'm going to test with this clothing image. As a promise, it's going to be super simple and realistic. After that, I'm going to searching the background here. Then find the ideal reference background image you like. So I like this style, and the AI will generate background according to that reference image. Click generate to get more for background. Now I'm going to try with portrait image, and let's see how this magic works. And I'm going to click generative fill, another cool feature that allows you add anything that you like. So brush around the part that you want to generate. And enter your text description to explain what you want to happen in the image. We have two options below, so you can choose between the ones that you like. If you want to remove the subject that you don't like, click this magic remover and brush over the part that you want to remove. And now we wait. I've applied this technique to another image, and this has worked really well. And then you can upload this into Etsy. Here you can create a new listing, and you can add these different angles of your product. After that, you can set up your pricing, listing, and everything about your product. So if you want to try IMG Creator, just hit the link description below. So that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you later in the next video.